Well, in this video we're going to review this new e-Power Mountfield battery operated lawnmower. The Mountfield range now includes the option to take lithium battery powered full-size lawnmowers. This is the Empress 41R Li. The cut on this is approximately 16 inches and you can see the blade there underneath this. It's a full-size solid metal blade. Now, these units being sold in the UK appear to be all Italian in manufacture. Certainly all the labelling on the batteries that are supplied with this unit refer to an Italian origin. The height adjustment on this unit is very nice and simple. 1, 2, 3, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest, and it's very easy to do. Just rakes up and down, beautifully simple, nice firm mechanism. I like that. The rear roller is another good feature on this unit. I was looking for a mower that had a back roller rather than a standard yard mower on 4 wheels. This is a self-propelling mower, and again we wanted that for this lawn. Although it's not too big, I do like the option to have a self-propelled drive on this. Mechanism for unclipping the handle, again very nice and simple, well constructed, nice and easy, good firm grips. The power start is just here. You have to hold the safety lever in position when starting it, and then the drive is standard design on this back piece here. Batteries are located in the front in this compartment. Let me just open that up for you. 2 batteries are supplied with this mower. They are different. One's a B440 and one's a B420. I'll just show you the difference between those. Well, here we have the 2 batteries. You'll see they are different. We've got one 420 and one 440. The 440 holds twice the power that the 420 does. So you've got 86.4 watt hours on the 420 and 172.8 on the 440 when fully charged. So 2 very different size batteries, one twice the capacity of the other. The charger unit that's supplied with the unit is a dual charger, allowing you to charge both simultaneously. But I'm just a little cautious about whether you should charge both these simultaneously, with them being different size batteries, as to whether they're going to charge evenly or whether you're going to overcharge or undercharge one of them. It'll be interesting to see. We will try that. I was told by the guy in the shop that it was initially only supplied with a single battery, which is probably the larger of the 2 units, but they've subsequently doubled the power rating and to use it with both batteries in situ. Now, the battery compartment here is at the front. You'll see they've got an isolator switch at the top here that cuts the batteries off from the actual electronics. To place the battery in, it is basically just a matter of pushing firmly down until they clip in, and then that release mechanism at the front here, you have to push firmly down to release. To switch the battery power on for the motor, you just clip this red light round, the red switched round to the on position, and then you should be ready to go. Now, to start the unit, you just depress this switch and pull the safety lever up. It beeps. There it is, fully powered up. And we haven't found this, I'm going to cut it off now just to talk a little. We haven't found it underpowered in any shape or form. It seems to cut very, very well. So what we're going to do is just cut this lawn for you. It's not been cut for around 2 weeks. It's got a little bit of growth on it, in places longer than others. There's quite a bit of leaf debris to pick up as well. And the other feature just to show you on this mower is the grass box. This little flange, when it's empty, it should be pushing up with the gases that are coming out from the exhaust, and when it's full, it should fall down to that position. So just a little indicator as to how full or otherwise the glass box is. So let's cut some grass and show you the end result, see how this mower does. Well, here we are, end result. Sorry, I haven't found a way of running a lawnmower and simultaneously recording a video, but if you like striped lawns, which I'm not usually that bothered about, but look, this does the job really, really well. So we've only used probably about 1/4 of the charge on these batteries doing this small garden here at Gardener's Cottage, but I'm a big fan of this mower. I like it. Okay, it's early days. I know we're cutting this with a brand new blade and it's as sharp as it's ever going to be, and the lithiums are in as good condition as it's ever going to be, but in terms of the advantages of this, It cuts well, it's got all the power that you'd expect and want from a petrol driven alternative. You don't have any of the pulling on ropes to start an engine every time you're emptying the glass box. It starts up really nice and quickly, cuts really well, and recharges, we found, with the cut we're doing here, in about an hour and a half. Batteries will be fully topped up again, and I'm hoping with the life expectancy of lithiums as they are currently that this will last me probably 10 to 15 years without any ongoing maintenance other than sharpening the blade, which is a big advantage over the petrol alternatives. Also means I don't have to store and keep a supply of petrol here in the rental cottage, which is another big advantage to me. So would I buy another one? Honestly, yes, I probably will buy another one. I'll probably try one on the farm at home when the Mountfield unit, that's a petrol unit there, comes to the end of its useful life. And so far, yes, thumbs up. Definitely a recommendation. If you're looking at transferring, then I would certainly consider this as a good alternative to a petrol driven lawnmower. Cost wise, I suppose we need to talk about that, because this is probably in the order of around 2.5 times the cost of an alternate rear rotor driven power self-propelled petrol unit currently. So it is upfront investment, but one I think probably is worthwhile making. Thanks for watching.